Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It will surely help our channel. Happy reading!
How are you gonna help me? Worried. You are pregnant now. Don't force yourself. There has to be another way. Ano naman naisip mo, 1-1? Grope. Ayay. The naughty 1-1. 1-1? Gusto mo din naman. Di mo naman pinigilan yung kamay. What are you doing? Talaga, nagtanong siya. The big cat was agitated, nervous. O diba? Don't worry, this method should work. Hindi nakagalaw ang ating Baidi. Nervioso. I know, this is like the time when I held you and robbed you. All right, you can stop right there. Go 1-1, ha? Just accept this. Let me help you this time. Breathe. Ayan na, hindi niya pakali. So, di talaga nila alam yung ganyan. Oh? Repress. Yan na. Malapot na yung yung pawis ni, pangalan nito, Baidi. Ayun, may pakis pa si ate. Itong buntis na to, talandi din. Ay, akala ko yung damit niya hindi na sexy. Mas lalo pa tuloy sumexy. Nag-crop top pa pala. Baidi looks quite tempting when he tries to suppress his desire. Deep breath. Getting closer. Bite. 1-1. Hindi pa. You look so cute. No, that's so cute. You look so hot. Feels like I've taken control of this beautiful man. I live in modern society for more than 20 years. Of course, I have more experience than Baidi. 20 years? How old pala si 1-1? Akala ko 17 lang siya. Ah, si ano pala yun? Yung Beauty in the Beast and the Beast. Is this tiger endures too good? Or am I just bad at this? Are you alright? My hand is sour. So si Bai, di mo talaga malalaman kung ano nasa isip niya. Let me do it. Tamo to, kaya mo naman pala. Ba't may pa-pick up pa? Ay, malaki na yung ni 1-1. Baby bump niya. Hindi naman ganun kalaki, pero medyo malaki na din. Buti pa. Hindi mo talaga malalaman kung anong iniisip nitong isang to. Seryoso kasi lagi eh. You'll be tired like this. Just let me. Ano na naman yan? Close your legs. Hala. Iba din iniisip ni Baidi. Rubbing. Uh-oh. Okay, what's that? Ah, inipit niya. Deep breath. Sino ba kasi nagsabi sa inyong bawal yan sa buntis? Ano ba yan? Ito talaga si 101. Bibigay din eh. Ay, naku ka talaga, girl. It finally came out. Ay, nako, 1-1. Pag si Baidi, no, lagi niya napagbibigyan. Minsan lang din naman kasi mag-request si Baidi. I really can't do this again next time. My hands and feet are cramping. 1-1. Thank you. Breathing softly. Let me help you wash your body, and then you can go to sleep. Nakachibi na to. Kit-kit lang tong 1-1 na to. Okay. So, what's next? Ano naman nangyayari sa empire, sa fortress nila? Next day. Next day agad, apa? Ganda ng ngiti ni Baidi. Refreshed. Iba talaga pag This look, did something happen last night? 1-1 is pregnant. She wouldn't. Diba? Refresh na refresh si Baidi. It's not what you think. Basta happy siya. 1-1 only helped me. Well, totoo naman. Tinulungan lang naman talaga siya ni 1-1. Meaningful. Naisahan ka, Shuangin? What do you mean? Gusto niya din. Seloso kasi to eh. Oh, you annoying tiger. It's a secret. Wala ka magagawa kay secret talaga. Bedroom. My hands are too sour. I can't go to class today. This is so embarrassing. Tinulungan niya para hindi siya mapagod. Pero yun pa rin naman, napagod pa rin siya. The mole beast Crowley provided important information and obtained priority to move into the castle. Nicey. Herbivorous beast area. Ang liliit nila. Kung gaano kaliit yung tatay, mas maliit pa yung mga anak. Whispering. Clack. We are home. Come on in. Hindi naman pala sila ganun kaliit. Grabe naman kasi yung pagka-draw kanini. This is our new home. Wow. Hindi ko naman nakita. Nag-wow na ako. Crowley, it's like a dream come true. I've decided to go to the Block River tribe again to gather some useful information, so I can exchange work credits for delicious food for you. Be careful on the way. Are you the new beasts? Iba yung mukha nila, no? Hindi sila tao. Ano talaga sila? I've never seen such small beast before. So maliliit pala talaga. Tingin nga kung gaano talaga kaliit. Maliit pala talaga, kaya binuhat siya ni Shuang Yun. Hello, we just moved in today. My name is Tuan Tuan. Tuan Tuan 11. Your name is as adorable as you are. Cute din naman. Tuan Tuan 11. Take off. May pa-flower si ate. Magkasya kaya kay 11 yan kung ibibigay niya. This is for me? Yes. Saan niya kaya ilalagay? Baka bracelet. Hindi. Pwede talaga sa maliit pala talaga. Maliit kasi chibi. Ano ba? Is it pretty? Bracelet nga. Sa buhok lang. Ginawang pony. It's very pretty. Squeak, squeak. Squeak, squeak. They're like rats. These are sunflower seeds that I roasted. Tama nga ako. Sunflower nga yung kinakain dati ni Shaoling. Pero bakit naging melon seed? Bago na naman. Welcome to the Rock Wolf tribe. This is a welcome gift for you. Thank you. Crackling. Sarap ng kain nila. Oh, they're so cute. I'll go back now. Goodbye. Ang cute naman ni Wanwan. Ang ganda ng buhok niya. Saan naman to papunta tong babaeng to? Diba? Speaking of Shaolin, manghihingi na naman to ng melon seeds. Mom, you are back. Kumakain. Hindi nanghingi. Kumakain na talaga siya. Crack. Diba? Post na post pa. Mom, what's that? Hey, stay away from my mom. You have other flowers on your head, little Lotus. Got jealous. Sayang yun na ibang flowers. So, kalaban yung ibang flowers. Tama si little Lotus na to. Napakasaloso. I'll decorate your head from now on. Other flowers and plants never touch you. Little flower bud transform. Anong transform niya? Sarili lang din naman niya. Rustling. Ano naman naisip nito? Shaoling ata to. Well, it actually looks pretty good. Sorry. Well, it actually looks pretty good. Bagay naman talaga kay 11. Avoiding? Why are you avoiding him? Ito naman kasi Shaolin, hindi naman niya sinabi na siya yung gusto niya. Pinch. Don't run away. Sinong pininch niya? Si Wanwan. Did you keep your promise to develop the medicine for me? Wala pang medicine. Paano buto?
Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter. Bye!